Trying to give the boat some love today.
Oh, it's a little better. All that's electrical stuff I gotta use. And how much better this area looks right now. And I still haven't got back here.
Because the back is kind of the catch-all for everything. I got a lot of freaking work to do to make this boat feel happy again and clean.
Our Marina has notified us that we must leave by the end of September. It's oyster season and our slip is promised to another boat.
Whatever you do, don't fall in, Abigail.
I'm not.
Now we have to figure out where to go and get the boat ready to move.
Ahoy, matey!
Hey!
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
So what's the plans? What'd they say?
Well, they're still trying to find us a place. You know?
Yeah.
Still working on that. So who knows whether we'll be in here or Rockport. Whether we'll have to move it over to Fort A or what.
What are we up to?
Got to drill holes for the wires. For the lights. There's already one at the top. Got to come through here. The last time they did it through the bottom of the foot. But I was worried about it leaking into the boat because it's just a hole. There's no way to really do a good job of plugging it up. So I bought some deck glands that a wire can go through the deck of the boat. Yeah, it's really...
I struggle to believe that anything can actually keep water from getting in the boat.
That's true.
Especially up here where it's going to take such a pounding.
But what I do know is any water that gets in these tubes will go down to there anyway, and if there's just a hole into the boat, it's going to get water in there for sure. So I just thought I would eliminate that part. I'm going to drill a hole, and I think I'm going to drill it here. So that the wire comes here, goes over, and goes through a deck gland, like right there.
Getting our navigation lights working is a high priority as we don't want to get caught out without them.
Yep, gonna have to center punch it.
Hey, go listen for the water, and when it stops, or starts, not when it stops, but when it starts going plop, 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 let us know. You can hear it from the cockpit.
Well, I'm not changing today.
The temperature has dropped to 80, 85 degrees, and so now we're in long sleeves and long pants.
That doesn't look like a center punch.
Well, it'll either work or it won't. These are better quality bits, but they still may not work. What works better is a cobalt bit, and I can't buy one without running all the way into Corpus Christi 45 minutes from here.
We plan to finish moving our boat well before dark, but you never know what might go wrong.
That was a terrible noise.
That means it's through.
Last week we talked about the mold growing in our water tanks. We filled the tanks with water and bleach, and we're still working on emptying all 200 gallons.
Tank 1 is empty. Working on tank 2. I wish you'd have stood here with a 1 gallon bucket, and every time it got full you dumped it out and counted them so we knew how much water was in the tanks.
But I think I can take a pretty long shower.
Yeah, if you want to use the whole tank. Right? Yeah, I know, that's the hard part though. You know, if you got 100 gallons and every person that takes a shower uses 5 gallons in our boat, that's 25 gallons every time somebody showers. That's only 4 times on a tank. It'd be interesting to measure it. I'd like to put a meter. Do they sell meters? They should have sell meters we could put in line. We could tell how many gallons we're using. That would be interesting to know. Anyway, all right, back to the front.
How do you get it from there to there?
It's the $1 million question. We have to fish it, and I don't know how yet. We're working on that.
You want me to do what? With the vacuum cleaner?
I want you to stick it right here and close this off with your hand to create suction.
And what are you going to do?
I'm going to stick this string down the pipe, and the vacuum is going to create suction and suck it out that hole right there.
We think so?
I think so.
Do you think so? Do you think this will actually work? I don't think so.
If this line doesn't work, I'm going to have to get something thinner. This is the thinnest that I could find offhand. I'm going to stick this in up here.
This is where it needs to come out. Okay, I'm impressed.
How's that?
You were right.
Attach the...
I can't live with him the rest of the day.
Right? Done. There you go, yep. There you go. Alright, feeding through. Okay. Gently pull, I will feed. Don't pull too hard. Just gently keep it going in the right direction as I'm shoving it in.
I think I'm getting there.
Yep. There you go. Alright, go ahead and grab that wire. Pull through more. Now on the other side. Nice. Sweet.
Alright, now what?
Now I got to drill a hole through the deck for the deck glands.
Girls, is that water still running?
Yep.
Did you check the pump to make sure it's not too hot?
No?
Well, we probably should do that. It's been running a long time.
Yeah. After I do this, I'll go check
This
it.
didn't have to be tapped in. It just pushed right in. Good job. You're so smart. All right. Let's go check that pump and make sure it's not too hot.
Alright.
You were always hungry, Abigail.
It's warm.
So go down there. I think there's some almonds and nuts and some juices and stuff in the fridge. Go in and see.
It's $4.49.
Okay, well, how's it doing down there, Dad?
Well, it's pretty warm.
Let's give it a break.
Probably should give it a break. Here.
Here's the almonds.
Some almond.
Almonds if you're hungry.
I don't like
Only eat about 5 or 10 of them.
You don't like almonds? Here, go Abigail. Oh, you guys are a little picky for being hungry.
I don't like almonds.
Ooh, maybe you should learn to like them.
No.
We were really hungry, starving. I think you'd eat them. What do you think, Dad?
There's seaweed in there.
Ew. Seaweed also tastes disgusting.
How do you know?
Because I've tried it.
When did you try seaweed?
Yes.
Sushi friendly.
Andy Rooney eyebrow things? Hey, stop. Stop! Ow! Did your wife do that to you too? Not fair. We can't slap them. I mean, gee. So, what I figured was putting that about right there. And that can come right down. Maybe right there.
Okay.
That's a brand new one. I need the other box that has the other parts.
So this is what we're using. Oh, you've got new bolts?
Yeah, because this has screws. Screws into fiberglass don't really work very well. So I'm going to 3-bolt them. Oh, dang you.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't laugh. We're almost done for the day.
Yeah, where's the pliers? I'm going to have to go down in the chain locker. See if I can pull that out. I think it went all the way through.
They're right there.
There. Ah. So I'll start here with the furthest one to the outside
Okay.
and then go clockwise.
Good morning. So we're back to the boat.
It's muggy, but it's not going to be hot. That's awesome. Let's go see what we've got going on today. So put your hammocks back up.
Yeah. Wait, there we go.
Alright. The other end. Make sure it's not twisted.
And then where?
Right there.
This one?
Yep.
There we go.
Are you ready to get in it, Denali?
She likes the hammock. I don't want Denali to
Pump,
fall.
the water's turning off.
Just correct, Mama. Okay.
I will check your work in just a minute.
Oh, you're not going in?
So both of them are empty now.
Yep.
So we need to fill them back up now.
Yes,
the
we do.
directions say?
I think we got to fill them up like halfway, slosh it around, squirt it through the pipes, and then fill it up all the way.
We need to attach wires to it underneath and bring it to the nav station and the breaker boxes. Green on that side and red on that side. Maybe we'll test them before we wire them up. I'm not sure what we're doing. We tested the ones that came out and they worked, so we're keeping those as backup. All right, this is a problem. I can't see what's happening here. I'm getting bubbles everywhere. Yeah, tell her to turn it off for a minute.
Turn it off for a minute.
I've poured in the new tank cleaner and now I can't see the water level over the bubbles. Alright, we're not ready. We're not full. Alright, tell her to turn it back on.
Turn it back on. Seriously?
Oh my God.
Why was it overflowing?
Well, we put the soap stuff in it and it's bubbling like crazy.
Is it on?
Yeah, tell her not to turn it on so high. Turn it on lower.
Turn it on lower.
That's better.
You're getting bubbles in the pipes.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's the soap? Good idea.
It's made for this.
I guess it was to clean it out.
I guess.
Can you use this?
Yeah.
Can you use all of it?
Yeah, that's what it said to do. Alright, tell her to stop.
Stop and wait there for a minute. I missed it.
You missed it? The water going everywhere? Alright, tell her to turn it off.
Turn it off and wait there. Is it off? What? I'm coming back. No, wait there. Good.
We gotta see how full it is. We gotta let the bubbles go down.
Stay over there.
Tell her we're waiting for the bubbles to go down.
We're waiting for the bubbles to go down. Yes.
Alright, well, I think we're gonna call that good for right now.
Okay, come back.
These dang water tanks are eating our lunch. Be sure to join us again next Sunday when we will tackle the bubbles inside and out as we continue our efforts to get this boat ready to move aboard. Right there by your hands. See it?
Happy?
No.
Now my Am I free to go?
What are you in such a hurry to leave for?
I need to help Dad with the wiring.
Okay.